In this video clip, I'll be talking about some tips for buying a chalk line. Now, the first thing that you want to look at when buying a chalk line is the type of material that the line itself is made out of. Our first two chalk lines here are a little bit cheaper model, and that line is just made out of cotton string. Our last line here is made out of a nylon string. Now, this nylon is going to hold up a lot better in weather conditions. In addition, if you get your chalk line snagged on anything, our cotton line is more likely to break, whereas our nylon line is a little bit stronger and will hold up a little bit better. The next thing you want to look at is if it has a lock function. If you're using this chalk line by yourself, it works a little bit easier if you have that lock function available. This is going to help you hold your chalk line tight so that you can snap it with your other hand. Next, we have our quick release lever, which is located in the center. To get the line out, you just push it down and you can pull the line. Now, on this chalk line, to get the line out, we actually have to lift up the little handle before we can pull it out. And on our last chalk line here, it's actually designed so we can just pull it out, but to get it back in, we have to flip up that little handle and then wheel it back in.